I'm about to show you guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys, and this actually works. Hey my gang, do you desire Cash App money for free? Well, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Cash App money. So as you can see, I got $435 in the Cash App. But with this button that says Tool Unlocker, we can unlock an additional $200 for free every single day. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this onto your device so you can get free money. All right, so let's see if it works. So it's adding it right now. So it says finalizing. All right, so I should receive $200 into my It's working. Oh my gosh. Guys, get down with me. We have to make a video right now. I'm going to show you exactly how to download this. As you can see, guys, I just got $200 in my Cash App for free. This is insanity, bro. So go over to matrixmods.com. I'm pretty sure they have the Cash App mod. So type it in, and then as you can see, it says a cleaner experience with free money and latest version with performance improvements. So they're going to make sure you don't get banned. So go ahead and press download, and it's going to start downloading it. So before this downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official App Store. So as you can see right here, it says missing files. So what we have to do is download 2 of the missing files. And these are all apps. They're all free. So like Family Island says reach level 10 to game. So I could do that. DraftKings, Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. You know, whatever, guys. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps, which can vary depending where you live, and make sure you do what it says. So if it says like reach level 10 on the game, make sure you do that and you should be good to go. So that's how I get free Cash App money, guys. Super insane. Actually works, guys. Very cool. So I will see you guys later, but definitely tell your friends about this, and peace out.